What's going on, guys? So I want to kind of take a quick look at a stock that kind of gapped and pretty much just went all day. So that stock is going to be Plug, PLUG. Current stock price closed at 33.59. Also ran after hours sitting at about 33.28, up 12.5% on the day. So one thing that we do want to keep in mind on this stock is that even though we had that big gap up today, great, fantastic close. You can see here my white trend line. I'm just kind of drawing some prior resistance going back to some price action from June through July here. But if I take this off and we kind of get a closer look, we can see this yellow line here is going to be the 200 moving average here. So we are going to run in not only to supply right around this price action here between 33 and 34 currently where we're sitting, but we're going to have some heavy resistance here at around 35.30. So what we really need to do is, does Plug get that day two push off this big gap up into supply, and then they start to sell it into the supply? If we do come up here around this 34 or 35, 30, 35, 50 area and it gets rejected, then we're going to need to see where we're going to catch support on the rising supply here. However, if it can power through the 200-day moving average and close over this $35.30 area, very, very bullish, because that would mean that we're going to break out of this downtrend that we've been in here in this sideways consolidation, realistically going all the way back here to about March, April. So 5-6 months now that we've been kind of consolidating at these lower levels. This would be a definite change in momentum and a trend break. So definitely going to want to look for a close over this $35 area. If we get a close on the daily over the 35, definitely bullish to kind of hold that, see where the next leg higher is. And then we're going to want to turn this $35 into a support. One thing that we do want to look for is if we come up here and we get rejected at the 35-day moving average, we kind of chop around sideways, we can look to fill this gap here, and that price would come down to about this $29-30 area. I think this would be a perfect opportunity to buy the stock on a dip for that next potential retest. However, we just need to see what we do here when we come to the 20-day moving or the 200-day moving average. Guys, link to my Discord is down in the description box below, and I will see everybody who is currently a member tomorrow.